ready? Are you ready?
So you're going to excuse the noise. So let me show you guys the girls' room before renovation. The little girl, she broke her baby bed and she was sleeping in the little camping bed. But now I put that one aside because she's going to be sleeping with me till we make the room. But we're going to make the room very soon because I've already ordered the baby bed. The normal bed, I bought a double bed for both. So I'm going to show you guys what the room look like at the moment. I'm standing in the corridor right now, so you guys can see. That's the bathroom. This is the corridor. A little bit of space here to hang clothes, and there's a lot of mess behind me. So I'm going to try to turn the camera to show you guys the girls' rooms before renovation. Excuse the noise. The kids are at home. It was weekend. So let's show you guys. So right now I'm standing in front of the kids' door, and their room have this light thing where you can see if the light is on in the room. So when you open the bedroom, this is what you see first. And I'm gonna tell you guys, excuse the dirtiness on the mirror. I'm tired of shouting, I'm tired of cleaning, so I just leave it like that, and then I clean it in the weekend. So yeah, but I didn't clean it today because I'm about to paint here, so just want to show you guys. So when you come into the room, this is what you see. As you guys can see, the girls have scratched the paint on the wall, so that means I need to go in with the paint on the wall a little bit more, especially on this side. But first, let's just start here. So when you comes in, this is what you see. I have this dark window curtain here, which I'm about to put another lighter curtain on top there. So I'm going to get a paint, and I'm going to get the window thing, the rail to hang the window curtain, and I'm going to get a white window curtain. So for example, if it's in the summer, when you close this one, the room is pretty dark, and then in the summer, in the winter, you can take this one off and leave the white one. So when you come into the room, with the kids' room, you can actually see the backyard, the garden, and all that. So when you come into the kids' room, this is the bed of the elder one, Aliyah. This is Aliyah's bed, and you guys can see on the wall there, she has been messing, writing, scraping the wall off. So I don't know whether it has to do with the paints. Like there are several places where I don't know if she's the one who did it, but there are several places in the house which the wall has cracked. The paint has cracked. But yeah, I painted this room like 6 years ago now. So, and since I painted 6 years ago, I haven't really painted again. I haven't do any touch-ups. So maybe that's just the way it is. So this is the girls' room. As you guys can see, the bed is also a little bit older. This is like we call this in Dutch the Makeover bed, the bed that grows along with the child. So I got this one from Ikea. You can pull it all the way down, but now it's like on this length because this is how this one is big enough for her. So this bed is going away. I'm going to either put it on the internet for someone to pick it up, or I'm going to throw it away, one of those two. So this is the bed. And here we have nothing, so I'm gonna see how high the bed is going to be, and then maybe I'm gonna hang some pictures on the wall, I don't know. And then here we have this was actually my nursing thing, where you have like the drawer, you put the baby stuff there, but now they use this to put extra clothes. But I don't know whether if the new bed comes in, there will be space for this one. So maybe this one needs to go outside on the corridor. Maybe, I don't know. So this is what the bedroom is looking like. So this is me standing in front of the window, and this is what you see. That's the door to enter the bedroom, and this is the drawer. So this drawer has all of their stuff in here. And here we just I just hang some stuff like towel, clothes that they just put on. And here we have like this big built-in closet, which are just bed sheets and other stuff. And so I need to organize this one because there I have stuff that is really not necessary. So I'm going to organize this one also when the room is organized. So now let me show you guys the biggest part of the house, the mirror. Excuse the dirtiness, the fingerprints. I clean this thing almost like twice a week, but the kids, my little girl, she will spit on the hand and then rub it on the on the glass. So yeah, I put this in the room because it's actually make the room much look bigger. This is a double closet. Like this side is for the oldest, and this side is for the youngest, and this one they share it together. They put jackets in here, and also this drawer they also share together, but this one everybody has their own separate. There I have some bed sheets, blankets, and other stuff. I'm trying to see if I can change this lamp, this like the sunshine lamp, but the kids kind of love it, so I don't know, maybe I will leave it there for now, and in the future as they get older, maybe they wouldn't like it anymore, maybe I will change it. And so yeah, and this is it. This is everything. Here I have a bunch of stuff that I need to see if I can get that bed up there away. And here I just have some stuff, like a room divider where you can put to divide the room sometimes. So yeah, this is the girls' room. Let me just give you guys 360. That's the entrance. It's not really a big room, but the mirror make it looks more bigger. That's the reason why I got this mirror closet in here. So this is it, and the kids have enough space. They have enough space to put closets, so that's why they have a lot of clothes. Okay, but also when I'm going to organize the room, I'm going to decorate the room. I'm going to organize the clothes. I'm going to take all the old stuff out, the one that doesn't fit anymore. So it's like a total room transformation. And this side of the house this side is painted zigzag, like the black zigzag. I can't show you guys because this big mirror is standing here. Actually, the plan was to put the bed on this side, but the bed couldn't fit because this side is not long enough. So that's the reason why. But I'm not going to paint any different color. I'm just going to paint the same gray. I'm just going to paint the same gray. So this is what the room look like. Give you guys 360. This is the bed. This is the most difficult part of the house to go to paint, because you guys can see my daughter. She lies down there and she scratch everything up. And yeah, so this is actually the room. Down here, this is the room. Excuse the mess. So now I'm going to get a paint and everything, and then I'm going to start painting. I'll be back to show you guys the finished result. So please stay tuned.